golden eye patch!
You didn't lose it. Mad Madeline stole it.
Ah, that's not the point.
It kinda is.
So, we should steal it back?
We don't steal.
Well, it's more like recovering stolen property.
You just read my mind!
The great Goldenbeard wore this even though he had perfect vision.
Why?
To intimidate people, of course. Now, I only see one of you.
Wow, how intimidating.
The stealth suits are right there.
There's nothing there.
Oh, I must have activated the invisibility function. Help me find them.
Come on, look.
Yeah, this could take a while.
Well, which eye works best?
They both make you look half blind.
But in a handsome way.
Who's steering right now?
If we're all wearing stealth suits, how come I can see you all?
Oh, hey, I can see everyone too.
Wow, maybe when you're invisible, you can see other invisible things.
Or maybe we're not actually invisible.
Either way, we should be careful. We're close to the Dark Orca.
I really should have tested these before we risked our lives.
Where's the excitement in that?
Let's split up. The quicker we find the golden eye patch, the better.
Do you know where you're going?
Shh, we're being stealthy.
Nope. Wrong eye. Can't see a thing.
What's happening?
This doesn't make any sense at all.
Oh, good. I thought it was just me.
You're going to wreck the sub!
Take that eye patch off!
No. I need to be intimidating.
Clearly. I'm getting rid of that thing.
Dad? Hello?
Fontaine, why are you here?
Hey, I'm supposed to be invisible. Maybe.
You want me to pretend you are?
I don't care. It was all Ant's idea.
Whoa! Who said that?
Very funny.
Is there a ghost in here?
What do you want, Finn?
Take this and go. Please. Dad will wake up soon.
Why are you giving me this?
So you can be intimidating.
So, where'd you find this?
Smiling Finn gave it to me.
And he just handed it to you?
Why?
So I could be intimidating. Okay?
That's silly. As if you... Okay, I'll buy that.
Kids, if you want more solid gold, watch the Deep Animated Series regularly and often.